Hi guys, this is Chip from Big R Motorsports, and I'm going to show you how to modify your turbo bracket so that it's easier to remove and install. So here's what I do. I take the bracket and I cut the top areas off here so that it forms a U shape. And that way, what you can do is you can slide the bracket up into that area and the two lower bolts of the turbo and the manifold, and then you can bolt this area in. Now another good thing about this is when you go to remove a turbo, all you have to do is take this nut out and then loosen the two at the top and slide it straight out of there. The issue that most people have is that when they go to remove the turbo and the manifold together, the oil return line is jammed up into this area. So when they go to pull off the manifold, sometimes they forget and they end up busting the line in half. And that can be a very costly line for most people. Another thing that I do is these usually have a lip. See that lip right there? I shave that lip off. That way it allows me to get to the bolts when I go to tighten them up or to take them out from the bottom of the car. With this lip in place, you won't be able to do that. So this is a handy dandy way of altering this bracket, and it still retains its strength, and it makes it simple for you to remove and install.